Hey everyone. Today I want to talk about a game changer in cybersecurity, information classification. Now you might be thinking, why should I care? Well, let me break it down for you. Information classification is like sorting your email into folders. Imagine if your inbox was just one massive pile of emails. Total chaos, right? That's what your data looks like without classification. By classifying information, you can easily identify what needs the highest level of protection. Think about your company's trade secrets or customer data. These are your crown jewels. Classifying them helps you prioritize their security. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you classify data, you also streamline your security protocols. You can apply the right security measures to different types of data. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. And hey, let's not forget compliance. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA require you to know where your sensitive data is. Classification helps you stay compliant and avoid those nasty fines, but it's not just about avoiding penalties. It's about trust. Your clients and partners need to know their data is safe with you. Proper classification shows you're serious about security. So, if you're not classifying your data yet, it's time to start. It's not just a best practice. It's essential for robust cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.